Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Your girl Nessa here, and in today's video I'm going to be doing the new Milani Screen Queen foundation review. I'm also going to be doing a wear test so that y'all know what time it is, how this foundation holds up, and all that good stuff. Alright, please go ahead and give this video a thumb up if you like it and if it was helpful, and also please go ahead and subscribe to my channel like since yesterday. What y'all been waiting on? I don't know. Tell me. I don't know. But anywho, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button to support your girl, and also hit that notification bell so that whenever I upload new videos, y'all will know. Okay? Alright guys, so let's get started. Alright guys, so let me give you the tea about this foundation. So since I got it from Ulta Beauty, based on Ulta Beauty's website, this foundation, alright, so it says, break up with blue light. You're on your phone 24/7. Milani is not mad at you, but your skin might be, because the blue light coming from your devices could be doing some serious damage. Level up your skin's digital defense with Milani's Screen Queen foundation, created to give you woke up like this effortless perfected skin. Effortlessly perfected skin. This buildable light to medium coverage foundation blends seamlessly and blurs imperfection for an even, luminous, natural skin finish. Made with digital blue light filter technology, this first of its kind formula helps fight the signs of digital damage, dullness, discoloration, and hyperpigmentation to keep your skin on point no matter how much screen time you clock. All right, now the benefits for this is it's weightless. So weightless feel formula instantly blurs imperfections and evens skin tone. It infused digital blue light technology to help protect skin from digital pollution. Nasturtium flower extract promotes oxygenation, helping to strengthen skin's barrier and restore its capacity to overcome oxidative stress. Available in 45 skin perfecting shades. Non-ashy formula. Formulated for all skin types, tones, and ages. Cruelty-free and vegan. Alright guys, so there you go. That's it for this foundation. So what I'm going to do now is actually try it on my face. I'm going to do a full face, but I'm going to just show you applying, or how I apply this foundation, and then after I'm done, I'm going to go out. I'm going to keep it on a few hours and see how it actually holds up. I'll just give you my final thoughts about this foundation at the end. All right, so don't go nowhere. All right guys, so I already washed my face. It's already moisturized. I'm going to go ahead and apply some primer, and the primer that I'm going to be using is the No Pore Blend Primer, and this is from Touch in Sol. And I'm just going to, I don't know, I put primer almost all over just because I can. Okay, all right, we don't want too much on the forehead. So mostly in this area, I tend to get a little bit oily. And look at me losing my nose ring. Like, bruh, get it together. Alright guys, so my brows are microbladed, so I don't need to do them at all. So we're skipping that step. Alright guys, so I took 2 pumps, and the shade that I got is 480, and this is in 480 Spiced Toffee. Alright, and yeah, so I'm just going to place that all over. So I'm going to use a foundation brush to blend this out just because I feel like I'll get more coverage when I use the brush, just because I have so many acne scars and I'm actually trying to cover them. So let's blend this out with a foundation brush. All right, so far it actually does feel soft and smooth on the skin. All right, I'm definitely gonna need to go in with more just because the specification said it's light to medium and I'm more of a full coverage kind of girl. All right, so I'm gonna take 1, 2. So initially it was, in total it's 4 pumps. All right, I feel like this shade matches me perfectly. Like, I don't need to go lighter and I don't need to go any darker. So I can live with this. All right, guys. So far it looks good on the skin. However, my spots, they're still peeking through. So I'm gonna have to go in with another layer, and I'm just gonna build up on that until all my scars ain't showing no more. It doesn't feel heavy, so let's see if a third layer will actually help, or let's see if it's gonna make me feel cakey. All right, guys, so far so good. It feels good on the skin after like 3 layers, but I don't feel heavy or anything. Um, yeah, it covered up my spot. Going with a 3 layer, it covered up my spot decently. I mean, yeah, so that's a plus right there. I mean, it's just that you have to build it up, and it did say light to medium. So don't go out expecting that this foundation is going to cover up all your imperfection. You just got to build up on it in order to do that. So yeah. However, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna finish all of this, and I'm gonna come back on here. So I'll be right back. All right, guys, so I completed the makeup and I'm going to head on out. Right now it is 4:23, so I'm going to run some errands and I'm gonna try to keep it on as long as I can. So I'll see y'all in a little bit. I mean, wow, it looks so good on my skin in person. Like, y'all just don't know. I mean, I think this is going to be my everyday foundation for whenever I'm going to work. But let's see how it holds up first before I jump to that conclusion. All right, guys, so I'll be right back. All right, y'all, so I'm back. It's about 6.5 hours since I applied this makeup right here. I took my kitty to the vet. I ran to the mall. I did a little shopping in Walmart. I came back home. I edited a video. I watched some TV. I ate. I did a whole bunch of stuff. So 6 hours later, this is the wear test. Like, I'm not oily. There's a little glow to it that I really like. Normally in this area right here, I would have like a little bit of oil pushing through. Around my nose area as well, I would have like a little bit of creasing. Well, a whole lot of creasing right here. But I have some creasing, but it's not all that obvious. So this foundation for 6.5 hours, this foundation holds up pretty well. This might be my go-to foundation for work or for my everyday wear. Yeah, I might need a matte foundation for work, since that I sometimes work 10 hours per day and I'm mostly running around. So I'm not sitting down, I'm mostly running around. So, you know, sweat and all that good stuff might run your makeup off your face. But I mean, I'm gonna wear it to work one day though, and I'm gonna see how it actually holds up. So yeah, I like this foundation. It's pretty good. So for $13.99, for me personally, it's a good buy. If you want to I mean, if you want a full coverage, this might not be the foundation for you. But if you just want to be touch and go, or I mean, even if you want full coverage, you can build it up. So there's no big deal right there. That's how I got this kind of full coverage kind of look going on. So this was like 3 layers of foundation, guys, which I don't feel cakey. I feel pretty nice. I feel pretty cool. Yeah, so if y'all want to go out and buy this foundation, you can. It's not a bad foundation, y'all. So yeah, that's my take on this Milani Screen Queen foundation. All right, guys. So if you have any questions, go ahead, leave your comment in the comment section down below. Also, let me know what you want to see me do next in my upcoming videos. All right, guys, so thank you so much for watching, and your girl will see you in the next one.